Part 1. Moving in day. Yes, that's us in the corner. I know, the obvious. It looks like it's fallen down. Nobody's lived in it for 2 years. It's been derelict. Neighbours told us it's got structural problems. But it's fine. It's sold. We bought it. It's moving in day now. Okay, this is the entrance hall. Make no apology for the mess. It's moving in day, and this channel is all about warts and all. Now, you can see there's plenty of wood panelling, which I love. Can't say the same about the carpet, though, unfortunately. Okay, plenty of features in here. Already mentioned the carpet. It's horrendous. Sick in it loads of times, you wouldn't even know. Black paint all over those beams. Got to come off. And down there on the right hand side, there's damp problems. Managed to convince the council that it's their problem, so they fixed it for free, thankfully. Okay, now on to the dining room. Or at least this will be the dining room. At the moment, it's nothing but a through room with a funky carpet. But hey, behind us there's another fireplace, or at least there will be, hiding. We'll uncover it when we get a chance. That is the wall that hopefully we'll get a chance to knock down, make it into a nice L-shaped dining room, fingers crossed. So this room, similar to the last really, carpet's got to go. Let's find out what's underneath it. That wall to the right hand side, open it up, should look really nice hopefully. And yeah, black paint again. So this is the kitchen. Bit of a later addition to the main house. Main house is 1640. This was built about 1880. Other than that, it's all got to get ripped out, I'm afraid, including the ceiling. Hopefully there's some real hidden gems here. I'll share it all with you on the channel. So the ceiling, loads of black painted tongue and groove. Got to come down. Hopefully we'll find some nice bits of wood there. The Aga. Nope, it's not worth anything, trust me. And it weighs an absolute ton. Actually took 6 people to move it and had to give it away for free. Carpet. Where do you get started with this? Carpet tiles, brown carpet tiles. Let's get them ripped up. So, this is the living room. That's Danielle. Quite a nice sized room, this one, albeit low ceilings. Turns out we're going to spend a lot of time in this room, especially seeing the single glazed windows in an old house means you're absolutely freezing, so you need to sit by the fire. So, starting with the fireplace. Not loads to look at right now. There's a gas fire there, but trust me, look at my other videos and you'll see exactly what's behind it. Bakery. Right. Once upon a time, this did used to be a bakery, at least 100 or so years ago. That little hatch there's a tiny little window where people used to pass their money through. And the bread used to be baked in the fireplace. Flooring. Carpet throughout in this house. This one's actually not too bad. Underneath it, lovely parquet flooring. I'll share that with you in another video. So this is the main bedroom. Bit of a mess right now, but as I say, moving in day. There's a pink sink. Love a pink sink, but that's got to go. And yes, you guessed it, damp problems on the whole of that wall at the back. I'll have to fix that at some point. More structural problems on the wall there near the window. Brilliant. But there is a fireplace there waiting to be discovered behind that box. So, this is a family bathroom. Yeah, I know, not quite what you'd expect, but there is loads of potential, trust me. I'll cover this off in another video, but there is loads to do. Rip up the carpet, take walls out, the lot. So behind that little cabinet, there's an immersion tank full of hot water right now, but we don't need it. What's got a new boiler in, we'll take that out. The walls, there's 2 walls in there. They're going to come down to get a much larger bathroom. It's going to be great. Trust me. Can't wait to do it, but it's not #1 job on the list, unfortunately. Oh, and the carpet. Yeah, we've got carpet in a bathroom. Not great. This is the bedroom next to the bathroom. There's some amazing woodwork in here. The beams in here are incredible, and as you can just see at the top there's one massive beam that runs right the way through. It's also got a great fireplace, but again, plenty to do in this room. Just to the left there, there's actually a hidden door. Well, hidden from one side anyway. Between the two rooms, this bedroom and the bathroom, there's actually four doors. Strange, I know. Somebody's messed about with it and just left it. So I'm going to uncover at least one of those and block up two, and hence we should have a nice big bathroom, and we can sort this room out. Also got to put up a wall behind me to separate the bathroom and this bedroom. Okay, this house is three-story. This is one of the bedrooms, very large. Would have been where one of the servants stayed, but there doesn't appear to be much to do in this room. But yeah, there is, unfortunately. That wall on the back there, yep, you guessed it. Damp, damp, and more damp. It's all to do with the cement render on the outside. Same all the way around the building. I'll put it on the jobs list. It's a pretty small shower room, but when we moved in, my word, there was black mold all over the ceiling, thick as well, purely down to lack of ventilation. So we've got that sorted, and yeah, that was it. This is the office. It's got the boiler on the floor, as you'll notice. It's about as old as me, and there are missing floorboards under that carpet. Brilliant. This is another bedroom. It's actually my daughter's bedroom now. I have renovated it and done lots of murals on the wall at my daughter's request. I will upload a video for you to see all of this soon. But there are some issues to resolve in this room. Yes, not hard to guess what the problem is. More damp. The whole of this wall actually have got real damp problems due to the cement render. I have now fixed it, and I will, as promised, upload a video to show you how I've done it. I had to use lime mortar for obvious reasons, but yeah, bear with me, and I'll upload a video to show you. This is my wife and my daughter Afia enjoying the patio, and we're fortunate enough to have a south-facing garden. But with my complexion, I go red literally after 2 seconds. This is my dog Dixie, and this is a World War II bunker. I shall do a separate video on this later, but very interesting to have this kind of thing in the garden. Okay, that's it. That's our family home. I'd love for you to come on our journey of renovation with us. So please keep checking our channel. If there's things you'd like to see, perhaps more detail, let me know in the comments box. I have already done videos on what I've done with the fireplace, and there's plenty more. So please give me lots of comments. I'd love to know what you think.